This is one of dozens of aged care centres currently dealing with an outbreak of COVID-19. All of the Victorians who died overnight were in aged care.
We send, of course, our deepest sympathies and condolences to those three families.
24 of the latest cases are also linked to known nursing home outbreaks.
Some are residents, some are staff, and actually some might be household members of staff members.
While we could think about it as a health environment, it's a residential environment. It's a place that's people's home. And so it's going to be more difficult to control the spread of infection than in hospitals and other clinical settings.
The aged care clusters are spread across Melbourne, but this facility in Melton South has the most active infections. It's followed by Estia in Keilor. Two other facilities have 29. Bapt Care in Werribee, which has had more than 250 confirmed infections, has 23 active cases. The majority of infections have occurred in private aged care homes, which are regulated by the Commonwealth. Some of the largest outbreaks have spawned more than 200 infections. But at state-run facilities, there have been fewer than 20 cases. Today, the Victorian Government announced $30 million for 50 of those public sector homes.
To provide upgrades large and small, that's all about creating jobs at a time when they're needed and all about making sure that every resident in public sector aged care gets the very best care.
The number of new cases has more than doubled since yesterday.
We got very excited to see a number like 11 yesterday, and 28 today feels a little bit like heartsink. But we've got to expect that these numbers will fluctuate a little up and down.
But testing rates are up, with more than 11,000 swabs guiding the latest numbers. Strong winds in Melbourne's southeast closed testing sites, including one in Casey, where a recent cluster had authorities on alert.
Actually, there haven't been cases in that cluster for 2 days, which is very reassuring.
Maintaining testing rates and a low rolling average are essential for the promised road out of lockdown. And it appears Victorians are ready to stay the course. A Newspoll survey in July found 61% of people thought the Premier had handled the pandemic well. 36% said badly. Its September poll found the figures have hardly changed. Nicole Asher, ABC News, Melbourne.